Let's take a scenario on general network simulation. I'm going to show you a basic configuration. First, you should have collect the router. So to install the router, preference, click on edit, go to preference and ISO router, click on new. You should download this router image file from general network simulation 3, and you can get this file on description also. So I'm already installed, so I'm taking a router C7200. You can take anyone, and I'm taking one normal switch and taking a PC and connecting to each other. PC to switch, PC to switch, and switch to router. And you can able to see interface. Show interface. Here I have taken a. You can able to configure. Lot okay. Let's configure first router. Go to console. Let's start first, and okay, it is green. Let's configure the router. Shell running. Running configure. Then configure. Let's configure the router. Interface. Fast Ethernet 0/0, and configuring 0/0 as IP address, and setting the IP address as 192.168.0.0, and setting the subnets 255.255.255.0, and I am shutdowning the router. Once it is shut down, I am exiting from it. Let's display source IP, show IP interface brief. Now we have set fast Ethernet as 192.168.0.1. Once we have configured, let's start the PC also and configure PC. To configure PC, let's set the IP address as IP 192.168.0 as 100. I'm taking 100. You can take anyone. I'm taking. And what subnet? Okay, what default you should set the router IP address default gateway, and I'm setting default gateway as 192.168.0 and 1. Okay, this is all the I have set. Now let's set on PC. You should start first and cancel it. Let's set the IP address on PC2 as IP 192.168.0.200, and I'm setting the subnet mask as 258.258.0 and setting the gateway default gateway as 192.168.0.1. This is the router IP address which I have set on port F0/0. Now show IP, you can check the IP of PC2 is 200, and you can show the IP on PC1, this is 100. Okay, let's ping from PC1 PC2 to PC1. Ping 192.168.0.100. Okay, it is replying. Okay, you can able to ping from PC1 to PC2, that is 192.168.0.200. Okay, we can able to ping PC1 to PC2. You can able to ping routers also. Suppose 192.168.0.1. Look, you can able to ping also. This is the basic configuration. Thank you very much. You can check the description.